National Unity Day or Rashtriya Ekta Diwas is celebrated on 31st October every year since 2014 to commemorate the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and honor his contributions to India. Sardar Patel, a freedom fighter, played a major role in the integration of India after independence. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was India's first deputy prime minister and is popularly known as the Iron Man of India. He played a major role in forming the independent Indian Union by annexing over 500 princely states to the Indian Union. He had to overcome several obstacles in this process. The National Unity Day provides an opportunity to reaffirm the inherent strength and resilience of our nation to withstand the threats to its unity, integrity and security. On the occasion of the National Unity Day, Run for Unity, a marathon is organized by the state governments across India to increase awareness about the contributions of Sardar Patel. The National Unity Day is an occasion for us to dedicate ourselves to preserve the unity, integrity and security of our nation and strive hard to spread this message among our fellow countrymen. On this occasion, let us solemnly resolve to make our contributions to ensure the security, prosperity and integrity of our country. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you like our content.